This looks a little out of season. Much better. Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. Next up is Cricket's request for a chocolate cobbler. This 2-layer chocolate dessert bakes up with a brownie-like top and a chocolate fudge sauce bottom. Similar to a lava cake, but easier to make. Let's see what we're gonna need. Our dessert is made in 4 layers. The bottom layer is 6 tablespoons of butter melted in our 1.5 quart baking dish. On top of that goes the cake batter. That's just self-rising flour, white sugar, salt, vanilla, milk, and cocoa powder. That gets spooned on top of the melted butter, and it's okay if a little bit of the melted butter ends up on top. We just don't want to stir this. On top of that goes our topping. That's the remaining white sugar, the brown sugar, and more cocoa powder. We just want to make sure this goes on top, and we don't want to stir that either. Then we pour on 1.5 cups of boiling water. Just pour it on carefully and don't stir anything. Then it's into the 350-degree oven for 40 minutes. We need to let this cool down for just a little bit. It is, however, traditionally served warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. It's time to give this chocolate cobbler a taste, and it smells so fudgy in here. Get a little of ice cream with this. Wonderful. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.